Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed in any way, I want you to actually click on the subscribe button. I want you to like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because they will be putting out one or two useful information that you would need in this forex trading. So follow us on Telegram. You definitely do not want to miss out on that. Now let's take a look at AUD First, let's start with this movement here, right? I told you guys that you should avoid selling from this level, this resistance level. I mean, when you take a look at this, we can see that this was once a resistance level. When markets came, we had a drop. We saw it here, a drop. We saw it came to the same level. We had a drop. We saw it came to this level. USD drop. Now, when it came to this level again, where is a lot of people were actually taking the sell. I told you guys that avoid taking your sell around this level because this level liquidity is literally building here. Because yes, it will deceive a lot of traders that it is actually dropping. A lot of traders will start placing their sell. Guess what happened? Markets pushed up, taking everybody out. Those of you that probably must have taken your sell because this is the resistance level, you should have been able to, you should have been stopped out. This is how liquidity works. Now on this AUDS, what was currently happening now is a pullback that is currently happening. I mean, take a look at this. I will see this to be the highs. This is the higher lows. This is the new higher highs that took out the previous highs, and now an higher lows is currently playing out. So guys, the drop on AUD is still not yet over. So once this drop is over, then look for a buy opportunity or a buy setup and look to go long on AUD. So anytime, so once the pullback is over, AUD should be giving us a new higher highs.